Welcome to a demonstration of the installation of the Enphase M215 microinverter. There are 5 easy steps for installing the Enphase microinverter. First, install the microinverters in the appropriate locations on the racking. Next, lay out the trunk cable in the location required, with the trunk connectors aligned to the location of the microinverters. The cable can be placed on either side of the racking and may be secured with tie wraps or clips. Now connect the microinverters to the trunk cable. Terminate the ends of the cables. Connect one end of the trunk cable to the junction box. The other end of the trunk cable must be terminated using a termination cap. Unused connectors must be covered using the caps provided. Finally, use the labels to identify the location of each microinverter and use the easy online Array Builder utility to enable the array to be viewed in the Enlighten monitoring system. The M215 microinverter, making installation even faster and easier than ever.